This is a short vowel sound. It's pronounced U. Now you try. Repeat after me. U. U. Now here are some words which have this sound. Foot, put, good. Now you try. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Foot, put, good. That's good.
Two A. Pot, put. Cod, could. Lock, look. Rock, rook. Box, books. Two B.
Put, put, pot, put, pot.
Cod, could, cod, cod.
Look, 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 lock, lock.
Rook, rock, rook, rock, rock.
Box, box, books, box, books.
Two C. Pot the plant in the garden. Put the plant in the garden. How do you spell cod? How do you spell could? I'll lock you up. I'll look you up. The wind blew around the rock. The wind blew around the rook. Give me the box. Give me the books. 2D.
Pot the plant in the garden.
Give me the books.
The wind blew around the rock.
How do you spell could?
I'll look you up.
Three B. A lost book.
Could you tell me where you've put my book, Bronwyn?
Isn't it on the bookshelf?
No. The bookshelf is full of your cookery books.
Then you should look in the bedroom, shouldn't you?
I've looked. You took that book and put it somewhere, didn't you?
The living room?
No, I've looked. I'm going to put all my books in a box and lock it.
Look, John, it's on the floor next to your foot.
Ah! Good.